Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to source for honest, expert beauty product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Sisley Paris Hydra-Flash Intensive Face Mask for dehydrated skin. This product promises deep hydration and a refreshed feel, and it's packed with natural plant extracts and essential oils. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Hydra-Flash mask is a rich, moisturizing treatment aimed at dehydrated skin. It's designed to instantly rejuvenate and rehydrate, giving your complexion that refreshed, comfortable glow. The mask contains a blend of potent ingredients: sesame, rice, ginkgo biloba, and provitamin B5. These components work together to hydrate, protect, soothe, and reinforce the skin's barrier, making this mask a key player in any skincare routine targeting dryness or skin dehydration. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. I've been using this mask for a few weeks now, applying it 2 to 3 times a week as recommended. The texture of the mask is creamy and smooth, and it spreads easily across the skin without feeling heavy or sticky. I applied a thick layer to my face and neck and allowed it to sit for the suggested 10 minutes. There's no need to rinse it off, so after that time, I simply wiped away the excess, leaving my skin feeling incredibly hydrated and soft. What I love is that it doesn't leave behind any greasy residue, just a comfortable, moisturized finish. When it comes to the effectiveness, this mask truly delivers on its promise. After using it, my skin felt more plump and nourished, and the dryness that typically settles around my T-zone seemed significantly reduced. If you have dehydrated skin, this mask provides that instant boost you need, especially during harsh weather or if your skin is feeling dull and tight. However, it's not without a few considerations. First, while it's incredibly effective at hydrating, it may not be the best choice for those with oily skin. The rich formulation could potentially feel a little heavy if you're prone to oiliness, so keep that in mind before incorporating it into your routine. Also, the price point is on the higher end, so while it's a luxury product, it might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is smooth and easy to apply. The product does exactly what it promises, hydrates and revitalizes the skin, and it doesn't leave a greasy or sticky finish, which is a huge plus for anyone concerned about clogged pores. It also offers that spa-like experience, thanks to the blend of essential oils. On the downside, the price is steep, and while it's ideal for dry skin, those with oilier skin types may not find it as beneficial. Additionally, if you're someone who prefers masks with a more instant refreshing feel, think cooling sensations, this might feel a little more subdued in that department. Now, regarding value for money, it's important to remember that Sisley Paris is a luxury skincare brand, and that's reflected in the price tag. That being said, you're getting a high-quality product with potent, natural ingredients that deliver on their promise. If hydration is a key concern for you, especially during the colder months, this could be a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for something similar at a lower price point, there are other hydrating masks out there, like those from The Ordinary or Neutrogena, which offer more affordable options, though they may not match the luxury feel of Sisley. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sophisticated, in line with what you'd expect from a high-end brand. The jar is sturdy, and the design feels premium, giving you that high-end skincare experience every time you reach for it. Customer support hasn't been something I've had to test directly, but Sisley Paris is known for its excellent customer service and is often praised for how well they handle any inquiries or concerns. If you do run into any issues, you can expect a smooth resolution process. To wrap things up, the Sisley Paris Hydra-Flash Intensive Face Mask does exactly what it promises, provides instant hydration, and revitalizes dehydrated skin. It's a luxurious option with high-quality ingredients that deliver visible results. While the price may be a factor for some, if you're someone with dry skin and are willing to invest in a high-end treatment, this mask could be a game changer. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for beauty lovers like you. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, let us know your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.